extremely difficult to distribute even under ideal conditions, much less through the mail. That's not to say it can't be lethal through inhalation or even by touch if not caught soon after exposure, but it is not contagious, like many of the lethal diseases in this country and in the world in this century.
You mean the last century?
That's right.
Like what, Doctor?
Well, the biggest fear is with smallpox. Smallpox is extremely contagious. It can be spread by half a dozen people simply taking a walk through airports and train stations and infecting those that they come in contact with, and going on the planes and trains throughout the four corners of the earth, multiplying by a magnitude of 10 the first day and magnitudes of magnitudes each succeeding day.
So you're saying smallpox can be spread just by being in an airport with someone who has it?
And breathing in their expelled air, yet.
I thought smallpox was eradicated.
And that's what makes it so dangerous. We have eradicated the disease in the world population, and therefore no one has a vaccine, or one that's current, in the last 30 years. And the vaccine supplies are practically non-existent. Use to vaccinate. Vicious. This has not stopped some countries from developing smallpox and hoarding it as a biological weapon. Pustules all over the body. Vicious. Pustules all over the body.
This could be a worldwide pandemic.
Biblical proportions. Sophisticated medical refinement. Sophisticated medical refinement. Sophisticated medical refinement. Difficult to distribute. Extremely difficult. Vicious. Much less painful disease. Much less pustules all over the body. Fever, delirium.
Do you mean to say this could be a worldwide pandemic?
Biblical proportions, if not Stimson.
Thank you.
No problem, lady. Sign right there. Are you building something?
You might say that.
You might want to keep that stuff dry before you start. Want me to haul 'em in the garage for you?
Studio, and no thanks. I'll do it.
You sure?
Yeah.
You have a construction business on the side. If you're interested, very reasonable.
You look familiar. Do I know you from somewhere?
Maybe. How about it, lady?
Oh my God, that's sick.
Pretty exciting, huh? A quiet one, huh? Kinda old for this stuff, aren't you?
What the hell is this? You can't see me, can you? Can you see me?
I'm not talking to myself, lady. Hey, don't run away. I can hear you too.
You can hear me?
Yeah. With the software you have, I can see you as long as you got your camera on too.
That's amazing.
Yeah, just like the Jetsons. You'd be surprised how many people don't know. You know, they sit there in their birthday splendor, playing with little Billy. Forget the cameras on.
Little Billy?
Punishing the boat. Polishing the helmet.
Huh?
Masturbating, madam. At least you got your clothes on.
Well, of course I do. You mean to say that people are naked when they get on this thing? Why?
Peepers, voyeurs, they just get off on seeing something, anything that's not their life, I guess. And they're naked, oiled up, doing the splits with enormous objects of insertion. You wouldn't believe some of the stuff I've seen.
Insertion.
Mm-hmm. Vaginal, anal. Had this guy with his legs up over the arms of the chair and a baseball bat, and it all greased up. And he takes it.
Hey, you can't talk to me like that.
Talk to you like what?
Well, like that.
I'm sorry, madam. Afraid I don't understand. What, maybe you want me to talk dirty to you? Hmm? Spank me, mama. Spank me.
Oh, that's disgusting. Aren't you ashamed of yourself?
Pardon me, but you logged in here, madam. I'm just living my life. What were you watching for?
Well, because I didn't know anybody could see me.
Why should that make any difference? Hmm? What? Perhaps you're just looking for a little what? Anonymous flesh?
Oh my God.
What's the matter? Never seen a naked man before?